Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will check the Bluetooth wireless earbuds plus music plus sports and true from defunc, and you have a chance to win one of these, so stick around. Let's start with the defunc plus sports earbuds. Defunc BT earbud plus sport model is a perfect earbud for an active person. It's sweat and water resistant, and the perfect fit makes it easy for any active users to use this earbuds. It has an active battery time for 7 hours, testing the sound quality of the Plus Sport earbuds. The next one is the Plus Music earbuds. It is similar to Plus Sport with 10-meter wireless range, supports Bluetooth version 4.1 and has battery time for 7 hours. Defunct Bluetooth earbud Plus Music is typical in-ear with comfortable plugs in silicone. The obvious choice for music listening. It has deep bass, clear treble and balanced midtones. Testing sound quality for Plus Music. Last but not the least, let's talk about the defunct True Wireless earbuds. They offer you comfortable earbud with great sound quality. It has sleek design which gives you 60 hours of playtime. And because of such a meaty battery power, you can also use the USB port on the earbud charger to function as power bank to charge other devices. Isn't that awesome? Charging time for the earbuds is 45 minutes and charging the power bank is approximately 2.5 hours. You can win this through wireless Bluetooth earbuds, as I'm giving this away to anyone who likes, comments and subscribes to my channel. It's very easy. Like always, I will place all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.